How to restore backup from WhatsApp in Google Drive. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before restoring the backup, you need to create one. Now to back up your WhatsApp chats, open up WhatsApp on a device. Tap on three dots at the top right corner and go to settings. Now click on chats. Now scroll down and tap on chat backup. Now tap on Google account. Now click on backup. Now wait for some time. Now to restore the backup, simply go to the login page in your WhatsApp next time you log in. Now on the login page, tap on next at the bottom right corner. Now click on agree and continue. Now enter the phone number and tap on next. Now verify the phone number, click on continue and give all the permissions. Now on the backup page, simply tap on restore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.